Wow. So last topic is percent to fraction, fraction to percent. Oh. So percent to fraction, example, tagaan ka 40%. So ang fraction nito, kita ako words. Okay, balik. Kaya mo na kang video, okay? So pag sa ring 40%, kita at sunod nga words. Ano tiya 40% ano? Bangin 40%, 40% in a class are girls. Girls yun kita. And the remaining is lesbian. Oh, lesbian, ha? Not in an offensive way, ha? Okay, lesbian man tayo pakilala. Men, ano yung pwede magsiring men. Kay lesbian man, LGBTQ. So, kasi ko nito, in terms of fraction, you have a fraction of 40 out of 100. Kung fraction, percent to fraction. 100 kay percent is in terms of 100. Pero again, kung fraction kasi is that must be a simplified form. So divided by 10 and divided by 2. So that is divided by 10 divided by 2. 2 times 2 which is 4. Adiliwat divided by 10 tapos may masasalin niya nga 10. So 2 and 5. Kita niyo? 2 and 5 for 10. Cancel a day. So the answer really is 2 all over 5. So meaning, in terms of fraction, that is 2 all over 5 nga total. Duha ka girls, hakada total nga girls nga lesbian nga 5. So kasi kung pwede ko kaya po tiya, ini kasi pwede ko tiya ratio or in fraction. Kaya di ba naman pakiana? Pakiana ito, kung sumiring girls, the fraction of girls to lesbian. So that would be 2 out of, pera man ang lesbian di diha kuan, 3. 2 out of 3. It answer. In terms of fraction of girls to lesbian. Girls to lesbian, yes. How about the fraction of lesbian to the total, lesbian and girls? So, kung sorry na pakiana, there are 3 out of 5. So, 3 out of 5. Kaya again, may hani mo 5, may daduha nga girls, may tulo nga lesbian. So, the fraction of lesbian to total is 3 out of 5, while the fraction of lesbian to girls, that would be 3 out of 2. So, 3 all over 2, it fraction niya. Di ba? So, kita alam niyo mga words. So, in terms of proportion, or ratio, ratio lang, diretso na niya. Magapin ni 2 all over 3, ano niya, lesbian, girls to lesbian. So, 2 is to 3, lesbian. Ade, lesbian is to the total. So, there is a ratio of 3 is to 5, nga ratio lesbian to the total. So, multiply mo nga nito, that you would have a 60% out of 100% nga population. So, makita ni mo, ang kato nga, girls, 40% girls, and 60% dito is lesbian. Kung lesbian lang ang girls, ang gimbutang dida. Ito, kita agudit ira words after. Because for this kind of problem, ratio, ini nga mga percent, it usual talaga ni mga word problems na. But anyway, pwede diri magka-word problems, adila dito mga meaning. Ito. Maghatag la kung simple nga ratio or percent, tapos iyo, kakonvert la. Kita lang niyo, pakiana ka ng piso. So, yun. Bisan din ako maginilarom. Amo yun mga meat talaga nira. Dahon pagkat pwede pakianan ni. But anyway, kung makapasar ka mo, sige God. At karo calculus. Ito. Amo yung takini mo. Para masing talang ka mo nga, I'm doing my best really to go down to your level. Thank you guys for listening.